Well, I didn't see this part coming, but it looks like the UAW could strike and further damage Stellantis from all of the stuff they've already shot themselves in the foot for. Not surprised.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Represent, got it.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And, man, UAW workers, according to Reuters about 5 minutes ago, posted UAW workers at Stellantis could strike over Illinois plant reopening. The United Auto Workers Union announced on Monday a number of its local units representing workers at Stellantis are preparing to file grievances and could launch a nationwide strike, saying the automaker is not honoring production commitments. The UAW said the locals represent tens of thousands of workers, and the dispute is over agreements the union said Stellantis made in 2023 as part of a new labor agreement. The Chrysler parent, Stellantis, agreed to build a new 3.2 billion battery plant and invest $1.5 billion in a new mid-sized truck factory in Belvidere, Illinois, and add 5,000 total U.S. jobs by 2028 as part of the new contract deal. Stellantis did not immediately respond for requests for comment, and the UAW said the automaker would not launch the Illinois investments on previously agreed timetable without specifying the dates. Oof. Now, I'm guessing that would be the mid-size truck was the rumored Dakota. But what I find interesting is, and the UAW should have known that as well, is that I don't think that was an EV-only truck. That was supposed to be a hurricane-powered, and when the initial leaks or thoughts of that coming out were coming out with a 5.7 Hemi. Well, they're not making that supposedly anymore. Yeah, I know. The Durango Hellcat, which for 2025, right? And they haven't been making Hellcats for 2 years, supposedly. They just keep bringing one out, right? Anyways, I thought this was exceptionally interesting. I mean, I don't know if a strike helps the union with that at this point. The reason why I say this is the Stellantis has such a backload on inventory that even if the union did strike, dealers have enough inventory to get them by easily for like 6 months. Yeah, are there going to be like specifically spec'd out options that they're not going to be able to provide? Sure. But I don't foresee it being a problem in the short term, right? Yeah, does it look bad? Will it affect their stock price, because of public opinion? Could scary, sellers of their stock sell? Sure. It could end up costing them some money. But I don't think it's going to hurt them. Like, they want to stop producing stuff right now anyway. So I guarantee you, Stellantis is probably like, please strike. Please strike, we dare you. Because at that point, I can tell you right now, from the way Carlos Tavares operates, he's like, hell yeah, y'all don't want to work? Y'all going to strike? I don't got to pay you? I don't got to make any vehicles while y'all strike? Cool. Now, where I think it does become an issue is where it becomes into official Mopar parts that are built by those UAW workers, engines, things of that nature, which if it's the Pentastar, it doesn't matter. They have a glut of those engines now anyway, and they're trying to move most of their engine manufacturing to Mexico, which is hilarious. Anyways, I thought this was newsworthy, something that you guys would want to see. What do you guys think? We can discuss it in the comments. Do you think the strike or threatened strike with the grievances filed by the UAW is going to be an issue? I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.